Let me get mine.
Hey, what's up, guys?
You're gonna get wet.
I don't care. Hey, what's up, guys? It's storming real quick. We're at Subway right now, and it's storming like crazy. Oh my god, I'm getting drenched. Yo, dudes, it all smells good in here. Man, we're just getting drenched outside. So it's Subway now, guys. I'm just getting some sandwiches. But so guys. Yeah, it's been raining. Look at my arms. Yeah.
I want a
simple house. Like I wouldn't have to describe the simple needs. Fair enough, but if you did, your plans would be easy to choose, easy to the thing you already want. That's zero energy. I'm down with that. Zero energy, the easy choice. To sign up, call 1-800-0.
So guys, it's still raining. Hope it gets a lot of likes and then saying subs. Give me the 20K. I'm almost. Give me the 20. So I got to give me a drink.
I'm gonna save some money. I have drinks at home. No.
Guys, it's still raining. I'm taking these purple.
He's eating. I made him a big one because he's eating half of it tonight and half it tomorrow. But I'm only going to get you a 6. And you want meatball?
See.
You like meatball?
Never had it.
Huh?
Never had it.
You never had it?
So, yeah, it's my dinner.
Hey, you want me to do the rest of it? Okay, another 6-inch meatball. And what kind of cheese do you want on it?
American.
And the other half of that, you can make a turkey breast. Huh?
It's Subway. And we don't know what's going on outside. I know what's going on outside. There's a giant thunderstorm. We're under a flash flood warning. And this is what's going on. Yep. So, yeah, I will be making another video tomorrow. You don't know what's going on. I'll make another video, so. Lettuce. Lettuce. Hey, you have any, black olives?
Yeah.
Do you have any, some mushrooms?
I don't know if that much. That was a turkey breast. Covered that cheese.
Hey, ma'am. Some jalapenos. It's black olives.
You want jalapeno? You like it?
So, yeah, I'll show you my sandwich later.
Black olives and lettuce.
Yes, some mushrooms.
They don't have mushrooms.
There's some bacon there. Jeez. Yeah, I'm good on Subway. I'm gonna give them with my grandma. So, and this is my new vlog video. Comment down below. This is my new thing on YouTube now is the vlogs. I will be doing some gaming in the future. probably like around 2019. We'll be happy about that. So, as soon as it go, some gaming stuff. So, and yep, yeah, it's pouring outside. You guys can see there. And so, honestly, I don't know. It's basically, it's gonna be raining in Orlando. That's where my uncle is at. So, shout out to Raiden, Adeline Noss, Ellie York, and Cindy. And I will see you guys in about a few minutes. Alright. Bye, guys.